Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my update number 2 from my ongoing project pan for this year. So basically this is a rolling 5 project pan. So there's 5 products in this project pan. I just did my update 1 last month. I feel like it was just yesterday. It's crazy how much progress has gone on since that last update. So if you want to see everything that happened, the products that are out of here, the products that are still ongoing, that are taking me a while, then of course just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it. And the video is going to start right now. So product number 1 was my Colourpop lip liner in the shade, I don't know, oh, Petal Please. This is one of my favorite lip liners from Colourpop. I'm actually going to do a best and worst of Colourpop next after filming this video. So that's going to be coming up soon. But pretty much finished this product with a number of 7 uses since the last update. Yeah, this is out of here. So I'll have the progress pictures on the screen. But yeah, since the last update, it went down drastically. So I'm really glad to say that this is out of my collection and I can finally include this in a makeup empties video. So again, a total of 7 uses, and I finished up my lip liner from Colourpop. I did go ahead and replace it with this Unicorn Glow luminous gloss in the shade Diamond. So this one you guys saw last, it was like halfway full. I have a picture on the screen, but since then I did remove the stopper and I use this as an overnight kind of lip oil situation. So I did go ahead and finish this product up completely, and I already did roll in a couple products. So this is out of here as well and will also be included in a makeup empties. This one took me a total of 16 uses to use up the whole thing, and again I did remove the stopper, so that made the progress go a little quickly. So this is not a product that I would repurchase. They actually did send this to me a while back with a couple of their lipsticks and a couple of other things, so that was really nice of them. However, I didn't really enjoy the formula. I really liked the packaging, but that's pretty much it. The actual formula, it's just a little gloopy for me, but again I did use it as an overnight kind of lip treatment situation, so that's how I use that. I did go ahead and replace it with my LA Colors Shimmer FX Liquid Eye Topper, and this is in the shade Dreamer. So I did use this a total of 2 times before I noticed that this is completely dried up. As you can see, there's like areas where it's just not working anymore. It's just so dry. So trying to get product onto the actual doe foot applicator was really hard, and it's just super dry in there. As you can see, there's like a chunk of pigment. So after 2 uses, I'm just going to count this as an empty and throw this again in a makeup empties bin, and I'll update you guys further over there. But this one was just like meh. It was a really pretty color. Unfortunately, it dried up. So once that product was out, I rolled in another product, and this is another liquid shadow from Italia Deluxe, and this one's in the shade Nude in Ibiza. Pretty much looks like that. I actually just mentioned this in a favorites video for this month because it's just an amazing liquid topper. I like taking it with my finger and just applying it over top any liquid shadow, and it just enhances the look times 10. It's just such a beautiful color, so I do want to pick up more of these. So this one has been really fun to use. Again, I mentioned it in a favorites video because it's just so good. So this one I've used a total of 9 times so far, and I'm pretty okay with that, and I'm okay with using it throughout the updates because it's just such a good formula. Next we have my e.l.f. cream contour palette, which you guys saw. I have the progress pictures on the screen. I did use this a total of 15 times this month. There it is now. So as you can see, the pan has expanded. However, I'm having a little trouble getting the product on the sides. So what I'm thinking is I might scrape it out and just kind of press it into the middle of the pan just so it's a little easier to use. But that's what we have so far. So I have been using this quite a bit. I've been using it with a new e.l.f. brush that I just purchased, and it's been working pretty well. But again, I think I'm going to move the product into the center of the pan just so it's a little easier to use. But this one has actually, it's going pretty well, and I love seeing the progress throughout the month. So this is another product that I'm really happy to inform you guys about, and I think it's going well. I'm glad that I'm not flying through this product because I'm kind of liking seeing the progress throughout these updates. All right, next we have my Covergirl foundation. So this is the Matte Ambition foundation in the shade Medium Golden. So this one I used a total of 7 times before I decided I'm just gonna roll this out. I'm just kind of through it, like I'm over it. and it's just getting harder to get the product out of here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and count this as an empty and just throw it in my empties bin, because I'm not really enjoying it anymore and it's not fun to use, so I don't want to torture myself anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead and call that an empty. And then I did roll in the LA Colors liquid makeup foundation in its place. So that's what we have going on so far for this product. Again, I'll insert a picture of what it looked like last month. I completely forgot to put the little progress line on it, but again, I'm going to insert that picture. And I did use this a total of 8 times. I'm not the biggest fan of this formula. It's just super goopy and it just does not look good on the skin. It doesn't really settle onto the skin. It just tends to move around a lot. So this is not a favorite, but I'm glad to see that it's kind of moving quickly as we go. So of course, I'm going to keep using it until it's gone. I really love the fact that it kind of pushes the product up, so it's easier to see the progress. But I'll have to put the progress line for the next time so you guys can see it clearly, but that's what it looks like now. Next category was my Amor Us Makeup Fix Setting Spray. So again, I did mention in my last update that this was going to be out, and it is. This is completely gone. I did use this a total of 3 times before it was completely gone, so this product is finally out of here. In its place, I went ahead and threw in the Romantic Beauty Dip Liner. So this one has been going pretty well. It's a little dry, but I could still get it to work for me. And I have used this a total of 5 times. It's just not... I have liners that I enjoy more, so I haven't really been reaching for this as often, but it's like an okay liner. I'm like working through it slowly but surely, but yeah, I think I'm almost through this product. I just kind of have to focus on it. But again, I only used it 5 times, so I'm kind of like meh about it. LA Colors Contour, I used a total of 16 times. So I forgot to throw in a picture of what it looked like after I repressed it, because I did go ahead and repress it in the center of the pan. This is what it's looking like right now. I'll put a picture of my last update, but it's completely different because the product was on the sides. So I went ahead and repressed it in the center of the pan, and that's what we have going on now. I feel like I thought it was going to move faster once I repressed it, but it's actually moving a little slower. It's still the same product. It's like really pigmented. It's great for setting my under eyes. Yeah, so that's what I've been using, and also the contour side as well. So this has been really nice throughout the week, and again, I used it a total of 16 times, which I think is pretty good. So I think by the next update, this product should be gone if I focus on it this month. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there, and it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to get this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.